Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier a life. What if I told you that over 1 billion people across the world are suffering from a deficiency that sunlight alone could fix? Yes, you heard it right. According to the World Health Organization, vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common yet most ignored health problems on the planet. Even in sunny countries like India, people spend most of their day indoors, covered up, or using sunscreen, blocking the very rays that help your body make this essential nutrient. Vitamin D isn't just about bones. It boosts your immunity, improves mood, helps muscle strength, and even protects your heart. Without it, you may feel tired, depressed, or fall sick more often, and you might not even know why. So today, let's answer the most searched questions on Google about vitamin D. How much you need, the best foods, sunlight timing, and signs you shouldn't ignore. Let's get started. Question number 1. What exactly is vitamin D? Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body can produce it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But it's not just a vitamin, it acts like a hormone and plays a powerful role in keeping your bones strong, boosting your immunity, and even improving your mood. Question number 2. Why is vitamin D important? Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, the key building blocks of strong bones and teeth. It also supports your immune system, helps fight inflammation, and reduces the risk of many chronic diseases. Low levels have been linked to fatigue, weak bones, muscle pain, and frequent infections. Question number 3. How much vitamin D do we need daily? According to the World Health Organization, adults need about 600 to 800 international unit, means 15 to 20 micrograms per day. Question number 4. What are the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency? Here are some warning signs of low vitamin D. Feeling tired or low on energy. Bone or muscle pain. Frequent colds or infections. Low mood or depression. Hair loss or slow healing wounds. Question number 5. How to get vitamin D naturally? Number 1. Get morning sunlight, the best natural source. Your body can make vitamin D on its own, just by being in sunlight. When sunlight touches your skin, it makes vitamin D3, the form your body actually needs. The best time is between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. Spend around 15 to 30 minutes in sunlight at least 3 to 4 times a week. But remember, avoid strong sun after 11 a.m., and don't use sunscreen for those 15 minutes. Number 2. Eat sun-exposed mushrooms. Mushrooms are the only natural plant source of vitamin D when they're kept in sunlight. They produce vitamin D2, just like our skin. 1 cup of sun-dried mushrooms gives you around 1,000 international unit of vitamin D. So next time, keep your mushrooms in the sun for an hour before cooking. You can add them to curries, soups, or stir-fried veggies. Number 3. Drink fortified milk or plant milk. Many types of milk, cow milk, soy milk, almond milk, are now fortified with vitamin D. That means vitamin D is added to them during processing. 1 glass gives you about 100 to 130 international unit. Drink it at breakfast or before bed. If you're vegan, choose fortified plant milk, it works just as well. Number 4. Fortified yogurt or curd. 1 cup of fortified yogurt gives around 80 to 120 international unit of vitamin D. It's great for digestion, bones, and immunity. You can have it plain, or mix with fruits or oats for a healthy snack. Number 5. Eat eggs. If you're ovo-vegetarian, egg yolks are a good natural source of vitamin D. 1 egg gives about 40 to 50 international unit. Eat 1 or 2 boiled eggs daily, but don't skip the yolk. That's where all the vitamin D is. Number 6. Fortified paneer or tofu. For vegetarians and vegans, fortified paneer or tofu is a smart choice. 100 grams gives about 80 to 120 international unit. Add it to salads, curries, or sandwiches, healthy, protein-rich, and vitamin D packed. Number 7. Fortified orange juice. If you don't like milk, go for fortified orange juice. It gives you around 100 international unit of vitamin D per glass. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C, perfect for strong immunity and glowing skin. Number 8. Stay active outdoors. Go for a walk, jog, or play outdoor sports. When you move your body in sunlight, your skin makes more vitamin D naturally. Even 20 minutes outside every day can boost your levels. So friends, remember, a little sunshine, a balanced diet, and small daily habits can protect your bones, lift your mood, and boost your immunity. Get your vitamin D the natural way, because it's truly the sunshine vitamin your body loves. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share with your friend and subscribe for more simple healthy tips videos every week.